Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about compatibility testing and I'll be covering various interview questions and answers related to compatibility testing in this video. So let's go by one now. First of all, we'll try to understand what is all about a compatibility testing. What is all about this compatibility testing? It is again one kind of software testing that ensure the application works properly across different browsers, different operating systems, different devices and different network conditions. These are some of the 4 things we normally cover as part of compatibility testing in a higher level. And why compatibility testing is very important in the software development life cycle. That is also key questions they will be asked in any interviews. The importance of compatibility testing is very crucial, especially if your software is exposed to use in different browsers, different diverse environments, different issues we may get into in terms of usability when different browsers being accessed, different platforms or different network conditions, your performance may also degrade. Hence, compatibility testing becomes very important in that situation. Can you explain the difference between the cross-browser testing versus cross-platform testing? What are the difference between cross-browser and cross-platform? The cross-browser testing that ensure a website or a application functions correctly on different browsers. In cross-platform, here we are going to test the application across various different operating systems plus devices as well. And what challenges might you encounter while performing compatibility testing? We might require to give certain examples here. The challenges may include variations in the browser rendering, differences in the device capabilities, issues related to network configurations. All these things will be checking as part of the compatibility testing. Ensuring the comprehensive coverage of environment can also be challenging in the compatibility testing. How do you prioritize the testing of different browsers and device combinations in compatibility testing? The prioritizing the browser and device based on the user demographic and user statistics. Here, whenever we are going to define our testing strategy, first we should visualize who are going to use our application or who are going to use our apps and how their pattern of usage. Those things we should look into whenever we are going to prioritize the tests across different browsers and devices. And also focus on the most commonly used environment to ensure that we are going to cover the maximum things in compatibility testing. And can you explain the concept of backward compatibility and its importance? The backward compatibility ensures that software remains compatible with the previous version, is also called as a backward compatibility. It is essential to provide seamless experience for the user who may not have upgraded to the latest version. Still, that application should work seamlessly in the older version as well. And how do you approach testing on mobile devices with different screen sizes and resolution? This is very important because these days application required to be certified with different kinds of mobile devices across different screen sizes and resolutions. Then how will you handle that? Testing a device with various screen sizes and resolutions to ensure that application layout and elements adapt appropriately, and also focusing on portrait and landscape orientation. Also, we should keep in mind whenever we are going to test these different sizes or resolutions. How do you document and report the compatibility issues to the development team? As we discussed earlier, as a normal practice or standard practice, we might require to use your defect management tools to include all the relevant information from environment details to step to reproduce and expected versus actual behavior. Everything you should clearly document in that defect tracking system. And after logging, we should also focus on prioritizing the issues and putting the right severity so that the developer can handle in fixing those compatibility issues. And the next one is explain the term forward compatibility and its relevance in compatibility testing. The forward compatibility ensures that software remains compatible for the future versions as well. It is very crucial to support upcoming technologies and prevent issues when users upgrade to the latest environment. How do you verify compatibility with different network speeds and conditions? We have to require to simulate these different network conditions, lower bandwidth, high latency, and ensure that application functions optimally across different network conditions or different network environment is key as part of compatibility testing. What strategies would you employ to ensure that compatibility with the different versions of web browser? The strategy here is we should keep updating our testing metrics to include the latest browser's versions and perform regression testing when new browser versions are released and update the application accordingly. Also is a key strategy you should employ whenever you are going to perform compatibility testing with the different versions of web browser.